Slovenia, a wine-growing country. Slovenia is a small, diverse wine-growing country in Central Europe. The middle part of Slovenia is covered by the cold Alps. Heading eastward into the continent, the air is warmed by the Pannonian Plain. This is where the wine-growing regions Podravje and Posavje are found, with their moderately cold continental climate. To the west, where there is wine-growing region Primorska, warm influences are carried over by winds from the Mediterranean. A vast majority of vineyards in Slovenia are planted on steep slopes, so that some 15,000 hectares of surface give on average just 70 million liters of wine. Grape harvest is usually done by hand. Adequate volume of rainfall allows wine growers to cultivate vineyards without irrigation. Slovenians are passionate wine lovers. Did you know that our national anthem is a toast? Podravje. The Podravje wine-growing region lies in the northeast of the country, consisting of two wine-growing districts. The small and somewhat warmer district Prekmurje impresses with its Blaufränkisch wines and its aromatic white varieties. The central part of the Podravje region is the Štajerska Slovenia wine-growing district. The cold Pohorje hills in the west and the touch of the warm Pannonian Plain to the east coast shape a moderately cold climate. On steep hillsides frequently made into terraces, the mix of sandstone clay, at times also marly and limestone soil, gives great conditions for the indigenous ferment and prices wines from aromatic, white varieties like the Sauvignon Blanc, Riesling, Pinot Gris, Muscat, Traminer and Chardonnay, thriving in the surroundings of the well-known towns and cities Ljutomer, Jeruzalem, Ormož, Svečina, Slovenska Bistrica, Slovenske Konjice.
Podravje, dežela znana po najstarejši trti na svetu, dramatičnih haloških strminah in sonce obsijanih jeruzalemskih terasah. Se najbolje predstavi za vini, ki navdušujejo z živahnostjo, razigranostjo in ekspresivnim karakterjem.
Sparkling wines are another quality of this district. Gornja Radgona boasts over 150 years of sparkling wine production. Are you in the vicinity of Maribor, perhaps? Then certainly don't forget to visit the oldest grape wine in the world. At its amazing 450 years of age, it continues to bear grapes. Posavje. The Posavje wine-growing region lies in the southeastern part of Slovenia. It consists of three rather diverse wine-growing districts. The limestone-covered and relatively warm Bela Krajina on the southern side of the Gorjanci Mountains is known for its Blaufränkisch and yellow muscat. The Dolenjska wine-growing district on the right bank of the river Sava cherishes its traditional light reddish wine, the Cveček. The younger generation of winemakers are coming to understand that Bizeljsko-Sremič and Dolenjska, Slovenia's coldest wine-growing district, also offer outstanding conditions for sparkling wines made from the indigenous Žametovka and Rumeni Plavec, as well as Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. Posavje is where the greatest volume of Blaufränkisch domestically is grown.
Dobrodošli v vinorodno deželo Posavje, deželo vrhunskih vin s priznanim tradicionalnim poimenovanjem, širokim izborom endemičnih in avtohtonih sort ter pristnih vin, ki jih danes išče ves svet. Živeli!
Primorska. Primorska, the warmest wine-growing region in Slovenia, lies in the southwest of the country. All four of its districts, to various degrees, enjoy the influences of the warm Adriatic Sea. The pride of the Kras is Teran, wine of a deep purple color. Refosco grapes are used to make it grow on red limestone crust soil, terra rossa, rich with iron. The narrow and long Vipava Valley enjoys cool alpine air descending from the north and warm winds arising from the Gulf of Trieste. The soil is made up of marl and sandstone sediments. Indigenous spicy zelen and rich pinela are the specialties of this district. True, Merlot is the most abundant variety here, but to experience the unique, phenomenal character of the Vipava Valley, we recommend tasting wide blends made from Malvasia, Rebula, Zelen and Pinela. Cool afternoon winds from the Alps and warm ones from the Gulf of Trieste, along with flesh soil, contribute distinctive conditions to the Goriška Brda wine-growing district. White blends based on Chardonnay and Rebula, and red blends based on Merlot and both Cabernet Franc and Cabernet Sauvignon give some of the most renowned wines in the country. Rebula, especially when growing on marly soil called Opoka, showcases some wines of tremendous varietal character.
Brda, najzahodnejši vinorodni okoliš Slovenije, vpet med Alpe in Jadran, vpet v Briško opoko, ljudi, ki obdelujejo staro sorto Rebulo že skozi tisočletja.
Slovenian Istria, with its mostly flesh soil, is the warmest among Slovenia's wine-growing districts and the only one where the vineyards enjoy a view of the sea. Refosco and Malvasia are the king and queen of Slovenian Istria.
Zakaj priti v slovensko Istro? Zato, ker je slovenska Istra biser med vinorodnimi okoliši Slovenije, ker tu bližina morja, obilica sonca in flišna tla ustvarjajo edinstvene pogoje za vzgojo vinske trte.
Welcome to the land of pristine nature, pure water springs, green hills, and farmers picking grapes with their own hands. Welcome to wine-growing Slovenia.